Portal stories are fun to read and fun to write. But what are portal stories and how do you write them? Well, this video will help you answer those questions. Welcome authors to Next Level Writing. In this video, we will focus on portal stories and provide a scaffold to help you create your own 6-paragraph portal story. At the end of the video, there will be an advanced tip to help make your story even more sophisticated. Before we begin, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. If you like this video and would like to see more, visit the Next Level Writing website. The link is in this video's description. Now, time to teleport you to the world of portals. First, what are portal stories? Portal stories are stories where the main character travels to another world through a portal. The new world can be as imaginative as you like, but must be different to the world the character is from. For portal stories, it is important to note that the portal does not have to be a traditional vortex. A portal is simply a doorway to another world. Examples of portals include the rabbit hole from Alice in Wonderland and the wardrobe from The Lion, the Witch and the Wardrobe. Now that we know what portal stories are, it is time to look at an outline that will help you write your own 6-paragraph portal story. As we look at what each paragraph needs to include, there will be a scaffold text for you to use as an example. Paragraph 1. The first paragraph is all about being introduced to the main character and the discovery and entry of the portal. A pro tip for this paragraph is to not spend too much time on the details of your character. Spend more time on the discovery and entering of the portal using descriptive language. Here is the example, paragraph 1. Feel free to pause the video and have a read and use it to help you get the ideas flowing. Notice how there's not much time spent on the actual character, but more on the actions leading to the portal. Paragraph 2. Paragraph 2 is all about the new world and describing it to the reader. Be careful though not to overwhelm the reader with too much randomness, and be specific with what you choose to describe. A pro tip for paragraph 2 is to focus your writing on 1 or 2 things in the new world. These should be the crucial things that the main character will interact with in the new world. And here is the example of paragraph 2. Notice how the focus is on the singing lady and the table full of food. This makes this paragraph not too overwhelming for the reader. Paragraph 3. Paragraph 3 is about the main character learning about the new world. More specifically, the character needs to learn about one thing that is taboo, that is, something they cannot do in the new world. A writing pit that writers can fall into in this paragraph is relying too much on exposition to explain the rule. It is the best that the rule is simple and direct and very easy for the reader to understand. And here is an example of a paragraph 3. Notice how the rule is very simple to understand. The consequences of breaking the rule also do not need to be outlined in this paragraph. Paragraph 4. In paragraph 4, your character will start to interact with the new world. However, through their interactions, they will disobey the directions and end up breaking the rule. To enhance this paragraph, try and be vague with the initial interactions with the world and become more specific when the rule is being broken. This is because the act of breaking the rule will set in motion events of the next 2 paragraphs. Here is the example for paragraph 4. Pay particular notice of when the rule is broken. For our example, the rule was broken unintentionally. This was done to make the reader feel sorry for the main character. Paragraph 5. In paragraph 5, the rule has been broken and the consequences are revealed. It is now time for the character to escape the new world and try and get back home. This paragraph is the climax of the story. An action is a great tool to use here because the character must escape the world quickly. And here is the example for paragraph 5. In this paragraph, we see that the world has begun to collapse as a consequence of breaking the rule. Using strong verbs here helps to create a sense of urgency. Paragraph 6. In the sixth and final paragraph, the main character finds themselves back in their original world. The portal is gone and they cannot re-enter it. The main character has also brought something back from their new world. A helpful tip for this paragraph is to not linger on the portal being closed. The portal simply not existing anymore is enough for the character to realise they can never go back. And here is the example for paragraph 6. In the example, the character questions whether the adventure even occurred. A little twist like finding the lolly in his pocket confirms the adventure took place and helps him back in his original world. And that, authors, is a portal story in 6 paragraphs. Now for the advanced tip. A great story will have some sort of character growth. Introducing a problem for the main character in the first paragraph means that when they are in the new world, they can acquire the skills necessary to face that problem. In the example story, our character was having a terrible day. Finding the lolly in his pocket lightens up his day and makes him no longer feel helpless. This has shown that he has grown as a result of entering and returning from the portal world. And that, authors, is that. A 6-paragraph portal story with an advanced tip. As always, remember to like and subscribe and keep striving to take your writing to the next level.